is MEGAREVO and Product Engineer Doris, and this is G2 Series single-phase hybrid inverter LCD operation guideline videos.
When the inverter is connected to the power supply, the screen lights up. Tap the screen to wake it from sleep mode. Tap the settings icon in the upper left corner to enter the settings interface. Tap the home icon in the upper left corner to return to the main interface. The current time is displayed at the top center of the main screen. The power icon in the upper right corner controls the systems on OFF state. If the checkbox for off is selected, the inverter will enter standby mode. Tap the PV icon on the main screen to enter the photovoltaic display. The first icon in the left data panel represents PV data. The top two rows display PV input voltage, PV input current, PV power. The bottom two rows display daily PV generation, total PV generation. The second icon on the left panel shows battery data. From top to bottom, the following parameters are displayed: battery voltage, battery current, battery power, state of charge, battery temperature, battery type, lithium or lead acid. Data on the second page is uploaded by the BMS and includes charge request voltage, maximum charge current, maximum discharge current, charge request status and discharge request status, which are both disabled now. Force charge status, which is currently disabled. If the battery is over-discharged, the BMS will automatically request to enable force charging. Battery page 3 displays daily charge-discharge power, accumulated charge-discharge power. The third icon interface displays the inverter status. The first row indicates system status including hybrid POW, hybrid supply and off-grid mode, init, initialization, standby mode, PV grid, PV connected to grid, BAT grid, battery connected to grid, BYP bypass, AC BAT CHG grid, charging the battery. The second row indicates inverter status, including standby, off-grid, grid connected. Off-grid PL indicates the PFC rectification process during inverter startup in off-grid mode. INV2 PFC indicates the inverter is connecting to the public grid and preparing to enter on-grid operation mode. The third row is the DC-DC status, showing the current operating state of the DC-DC converter including standby, idle, charge, charging the battery via DC-DC, discharging the battery via DC-DC. The fourth, fifth, and sixth rows display the inverter AC side voltage, current, and power. The second page displays first row VBUS, second row, inverter temperature, third row, internal IGBT temperature, fourth row, DC-DC temperature, fifth row, leakage current value. If leakage current exceeds 30 mA, the inverter will issue an alarm and stop operating. The sixth row shows the parallel state. Master. This status indicates that the inverter is operating independently or functioning as the main control inverter in a parallel system. Slave. This inverter is a slave and controlled by the master. Tap the fourth icon in the left data panel to view the load information interface. The first page displays from top to bottom load voltage, current, power, daily energy consumption, and total energy consumption. The second page shows the power of external loads, which are connected to the grid side. Tap the last icon in the left data panel. The first page displays voltage, current, power, and frequency data collected by the CT or energy meter. The second page shows the voltage, current, power, and frequency data collected at the inverter's grid port. The third page displays the inverter system's daily and total grid purchase and grid cell energy.
Thank you for your watching. That's all for this video. Contact us if you have any other technical problems. Go to megarevo.com. See you!